Kavindani ka Umbano wa Mutiuuko nolo utwaiiw'e kauntini ya Homabay kwa mithenya 3 wavika muthya muthenyani wa umunthi. Kaunti ya Masaku niyakathiiwa muno ni ala meuthokeaa mawonanio ma kaunti maikathiia vinya wa kaunti wambiisyani wa syindu nzau kana innovation kwongelwani kwa lato na kwiyumya kunene nthini wa kwikia vinya ekali ma Masaku. Mawonanio ma kaunti mewetwa atambe kusia kana kumeleelwa matani aini aingi vamwe na aingi alame na mawonanio niomo umbanoni ousu na alame usuitwe ni wendi munene wa kumanya kila kaunti yithitwe iyika kwa ilia biasala wa uimi kithio inengo kana creative works na maundu ma uiti alame wavika vau aingi ni mamukathiie ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku mwandu wa vinya ndeti muno kwa wia museo ula withitwe aitwaisya kwa kwete milati ya kuuna ekali ma kaunti ya Masaku. Boni mutisya ni watumbanisya mauvo
muthenya wa muthya nthini Umbano wa mangavana kunenese maundu makonete serikali cia Mutiuuko kaunti ya Masaku yakava muno taivangite nthini wa maundu maiki vathukanyo makwelia kaunti ino vaililikana kana kaunti ya Masaku ni umwe mwaotanyelela ilembetani ya ukamba.
The city, the new look, this has really amazed me. And honestly, if in the next 4 years Machakos will be looking like this, and remember Machakos is wonderful in the economy bit. Machakos is key to our second counties, and if you look at this and we see it will be the entry to Makueni. Machakos stands as the entry to Makueni, entry to Kitui. You look at us at the lower eastern, amazing. I'm just amazed. To our governor, madam, my friend Wavinya, kudos.
Maundu meki vathukanyo mayuitata mema vata kwi mwene nthi wivo uimi ula wikwa tuni utalo munene wiyene nthi lembetani ya ukamba ni mailayani wa wito vaya mbene ni maya mavakato katiwa ni maingi.
And I'm so excited to actually come and visit the Machakos booth because this is where our operations are also situated. We've been able to do successful projects in Machakos County, including a very successful medical camp, and I'm so excited to be here today. I've also seen some of the value additions that have been done, particularly for avocado products, and knowing how healthy avocado is, we would like to see more and more what this kind of research, what kind of products are coming up.
From the avocado, we are able to use every part of the avocado, ensuring zero waste policy. We are able to produce this amazing cosmetic oil, avocado oil. We also have avocado from the seed. We also have the avocado seed powder, and from the leaf, we have the avocado leaf powder. These powders can be taken as a tea with medicinal benefits for yourself and your body. So we are very thankful for the governor for bringing us to Homabay County. She's been able to open our markets and also encourage us to interact and also network with other businesses in the county.
Na kumaona kithito cha utongo ina maundu ala maoneka nthini wa Umbano uyu kuma ki kaunti ya Masaku ngwatani watoto ya vata wikithikana maundu hao nthini maila ku utongo wa kaunti ino.
I want the people of Machakos to appreciate the effort of the government through their leadership, the county governor, because this one is not is rare to have such kind of manifestations. I'm very much impressed by how Machakos County, from the staff to the exhibitors to the farmers and even to the leadership, how they are working together to ensure success.
Na kwithwa Masaku yusuta na kamba kithio cha watoto kiende na ukwatililwa na kunengo wito kwikithikana ni chamanyika na kulolumelwa.
Na hapa nimesimama ni stand ya Machakos, our sister county. Beautiful place, as you can see, our culture is #1. And look at what we are doing here. Kitui is on the other side, Makueni is up there, and wonderful work. Sekeb is real. Sekeb is real. Our culture, the work we are doing, you can look at all this. The talent is here. And I'm just proud of being in among the Sekeb counties, and beautiful.
Mutongo TV, yenito Boni, Muthenyani.